The typical smart home features a network of up to 200 wireless devices, sensors, switches, actuators, and controllers, enabling the user-friendly management of lighting, shading, ventilation, heating, cooling, safety, and security systems. Occupancy-based monitoring and scenario-based wireless applications reduce automatic lighting and shading, plus temperature, humidity, and CO2 monitoring allow for an optimized room climate. Occupancy sensors allow for intruder detection and can save energy by switching off appliances and lighting when not required. Remote controls add comfort, while panic buttons and fall alarms, as well as sensors for fluid leaks, smoke, and airborne pollutants, are particularly valuable for elderly persons at home. Simply peel and stick these battery-less, maintenance-free wireless devices almost anywhere, even on glass. Installation takes minutes, providing decades of reliable service with no power cables, no masonry work, and no batteries needing replacement. Saving 30% in terms of installation costs and time compared with conventional wired solutions. These devices offer total flexibility and are easy to upgrade whenever required. Whether used alone or as part of an integrated building automation system with smartphone monitoring and control, these devices gain their energy from sunlight, movement, and temperature differentials. Thousands of interoperable devices based on the open EnOcean standard are available from hundreds of vendors worldwide. They reduce energy costs and lower CO2 output, benefiting the environment and adding security, safety, and comfort for users in millions of buildings globally. For more information about how you can achieve significant savings in smart home installation costs, visit the provided link or www.enoceanalliance.org.